Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Tita Benny's. I love you. See you soon. Bye-bye.
Happy birthday, Benice. You're so pretty and so blessed. I wish you all the best and of course a better future. Keep dreaming, okay? Enjoy your party. Pwede po bang sabihin na bawal mo na mag-boyfriend? Kaso baka mapagaya sa akin. Cut nyo na po. Bye! Enjoy!
Hi, Venice! Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, Tita Venice. See you soon. Bye-bye. Love you.
Happy birthday, Benes. Sana'y makatapos ka ng pag-aaral at makatulong sa iyong mga magulang. I love you.
Happy 18th birthday to Benes. I hope you're doing well today since it's your 18th birthday. Hope your day is as fabulous as you are. We love you.